going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to put your iPad in recovery mode in here, which is a pretty easy process in here. Now recovery mode allows you to pretty much install a fresh new operating system. Let's say that you are in a situation where your iPad is corrupted or something like that. You need to install a fresh new operating system. I'm going to show you how to do it in this video, but you're going to need a USB cable or the cable that connects your iPad into your laptop device. If it's a MacBook or a Windows operating system, no problem at all. But if it's a Windows operating system, you're going to need iTunes installed and downloaded into your laptop device. Otherwise, if you have a MacBook, you do not need iTunes. All you need to do is just have your laptop turned on and connected into the iPad. My name is Shaq, and in this channel I do cover a lot of tech hacks and tutorials. So if you're into tech content, consider subscribing here to the YouTube channel. Now jumping straight into the very first step in here, the very first thing to do is to turn off our iPad by pressing and holding the power button at the top, okay, and then slide to power it off. Now if you do have a much recent iPad without the physical home button, in order for you to turn it off, you just need to press and hold the power button along with the volume down button and then slide to power it off. But I'm going to show you how to do it in a couple of seconds. On an iPad with a physical home button, slide to power it off and then connect the very first end of the cable into your laptop device. In my case, I'll be connecting this into my laptop and this into my iPad. So first things first, connect the first end only into your laptop device and ensure that your laptop is turned on. Remember, if you're using a Windows laptop, you need to have iTunes downloaded and installed. Okay, so here we go. I've already connected the very first end into my laptop, which is turned on, and then you're going to insert the cable into your iPad. But as soon as you insert, you want to press and hold that physical home button. Now this is how it goes. There we go, inserted. I'm pressing and holding the physical home button. As soon as I connect it, do not release that home button until you see this icon in here, and then release the home button. We're now in recovery mode, which is also known as the DFU mode. Now if you give a look at your iTunes on your Windows laptop, or if you give a look at your MacBook, you'll be able to see a pop-up which says restore or update software. If you wish to update your software, you can simply tap on update. If you wish to restore your software and wipe all your data, you can simply tap on restore to proceed as so. Now, once you're done installing the operating system, your iPad will restart normally. Now, if you wish to exit the recovery mode, you just need to disconnect the cable and then turn off your iPad by pressing and holding the power button here or on this side. As soon as it goes black, release the power button. There we go. Wait a couple seconds and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the power button until you see the Apple logo on your screen, and then there we go. Your iPad will turn on normally and we're out of the recovery menu. Now, if you do have a much recent iPad without a physical home button in here, the process differs slightly, and I'm going to show it to you right now. Now, of course, we're going to need a USB cable, okay, just the way we actually need it right now. Okay, this is my USB cable in here. In my case, I'm going to be showcasing it to you on this iPhone device in here, which doesn't have a physical home button, because the process is exactly the same. Now, what we're going to do first is, of course, connect the first end of our cable into our laptop. Okay, and ensure that our laptop is actually turned on. Cable has been connected into my laptop, and then in here, before I insert it into my iPhone or my iPad without a physical home button, I need to perform a quick forced restart, and this is how it goes. Rapidly tap on volume up and then down, and then press and hold the power button. Do not release the power button. Keep on pressing it continuously, and as soon as it shuts down, connect the cable. I haven't connected it yet. There we go. Connected it right now. I'm still pressing and holding that power button. I've already left all volume buttons. Keep on pressing the power button. Do not release it until you see the recovery mode on your screen. A couple more seconds. There we go. Release the power button and let your iPhone in recovery mode. Now, if you give a look at your laptop, you'll be able to see the same options, restore as well as update, which are the only possible ways for you to fix your software from your laptop. Now, this is exactly how you enter recovery mode, and now you can wipe out all your data, fix your iPhone issues and stuff like that, and then your phone will restart as soon as the process gets complete. Now, if you wish to exit the recovery mode, process is simple. Just remove the cable here from your iPad device. Next up, you just want to press and hold the power button in here until you see the black screen. Same process. There we go. It's now off. Release the power button, wait 5 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then turn it back on by pressing and holding the power button, and your phone is now out of the recovery mode in here. Recovery mode helps us a lot in fixing a lot of glitches and software issues. I hope this video really helped you out, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and like the video. Let me know down in the comment section if you were able to fix your issue by watching this video. Thanks for watching Fix by Shaq, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.